Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So this tutorial is the continuation of how to convert SQL queries into Python pandas. So today's topic is to get nth highest salary from our table. Okay. So this is our employees table and I need nth highest salary. So basic query. So I am creating, select employee name, salary, dense rank I am using over order by salary as salary rank from employees. So I am wrapping it with city, and from that city I am choosing salary rank equals to 4. So if I run this, so I will get 4th highest salary, this one. So let's see how to convert it into Python. Okay. So here you can see this is our connection string. Okay, and first I need to read the SQL query first. So I'll write like employees equals to pd.read SQL, and I'll read select star from employees, and I'll close the connection. I'll keep connection and I'll close the connection. Okay, now what I need, so I'll use this df data frame. So I'll write like employees, and I need a new column, right? For ranking, I need to rank all the salaries of the employees. Okay, so I'll write like new column salary rank. Okay, salary rank equals to employees. Okay, so which column I need to rank? I need to rank the salary, right? So I'll put salary. Here you can see this is my salary, and I'll use rank function dot rank. Okay, then in the rank function I'll use method. Okay, so what kind of method I need dense. Okay, so here I am using dense rank. Okay, so why dense rank? Because if salary gets tied, like here you can see, if I run this one, so here you can see these salaries are tied. So what it will do, it will give this one is the highest, this one it will give 2, this one also it will give 2, and after that third highest is this one. So here it will come and give rank as 3. Okay, so that's why I am using dense rank. Here also I have used dense rank. So rank method equals to dense, then ascending equals to false. So why ascending equals to false? Ascending equals to false means, so whichever rank is the lowest, that is the highest salary. Okay, so when the rank decreasing, salary is getting higher. Okay, that's why. Then I'll take a variable n equals to, I am taking as 3. Okay, now I need another data frame, nth highest. So nth highest equals to, so I'll take employees. Okay, so employees, from employees what I need the column of this one, salary rank. Okay, so what it will do, it will check in the salary rank, newly created column salary rank, and it will compare it with n value. So what is my n value? n value equals to 3. So I'll put n here, right? So it will give this salary rank will give me all the ranking of the salaries, then it will compare with n. So if n matches with 3, if this rank matches with 3, then it will give that row, right? So if I print enthused, then what I'm getting here, you can see. So this one, so I'm using here 4, so I'll use 3. Okay, so this person is getting the third highest salary. Okay, so like this we can convert SQL queries into Python. So if you like my channel, please share it among your friends, subscribe to my channel, support it. Thank you guys. Thank you.